Do you see the red dot? You see the red dot? Keep your finger away. Is it on the target? Is it in the center of that target? You sure? Caden, is the red dot on the middle of that little target down there? Yes? All right. Nope, not yet. Keep your finger. All right, hold it. Hold tight, okay? Now keep your finger up here. I'm about to turn it on to fire, okay? So, wait. All right, make sure. Is the dot on the center of that target? It is? Are you positive? Do you see the red dot? You see the target? All right. You ready? You hit it! Want to do it again?
Yeah.
All right. It's going to be the same thing. You're going to have to put the red dot on the target, okay?
I hit it?
Yeah.
You hit the target. First shot. All right, keep your hands off the trigger. That's what I want you to do. Turn the safety on to safe. Flip the lever. Yeah, flip the arrow down so you flip it like this. Pull toward you. There you go. All right, it's on safety now.
All right. Don't touch anything yet, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Is there a lot of bullets?
Huh?
Is there a lot of bullets? Is there a lot of bullets in this?
There's one bullet again. Keep your fingers off the trigger, okay? So just hold it right here. And I want you to get that red dot on it again, okay? Don't touch the trigger though. Okay.
I'm holding it.
All right, do you see the target? Is the red dot on the target? It is? Is it? All right, here we go. Flip that switch down. Keep your finger down here off the trigger. Flip the switch. All right, pull your hand there. All right, now verify your target again. Is the red dot on the middle of the target? Do you see the target? Do you see the red dot? Is it in the middle? Huh?
Yes.
Is it in the middle? Lean forward. Are you ready? Is it on the target? You hit it again! 2 for 2! Flip the safety on. Alright. You want to do it again?
Yeah, but when... You want to shoot this one again? This one. You don't want to shoot it again?
Alright, well, here we go. Keep your fingers away from the trigger. Alright. As long as it's on the target, go ahead and pull the trigger. You got it.
Why does it shake?
It's the recoil.
What's the recoil?
You're not pulling it tight enough to your shoulder.